Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're going to practice with the correct pronunciation of this word. Let's get started. The pronunciation of this word is very confusing because if you look at the dictionary, you'll find two pronunciations. You'll see environment and environment, and we don't say either one. The N is silent. So for this word, we cannot trust the dictionaries. We say environment. Environment. The stress is on the second and fourth syllable. Environment.
They lived on every landmass and in every imaginable environment.
The first syllable is not stressed, so you hear n. The second syllable is stressed. Envire. We make the sound envire. It sounds like fire and tire. Envire. And the last one is ment. So the N is silent. You don't pronounce the N. Environment.
Are open to the outside environment.
Animal behavior can change in environments where humans are present.
And how do we use this word? It's countable in some cases. Example, an environment. It's one, we say an environment. I want to work in an environment. Use the preposition in. I want to work in an environment without stress. Or I can say, I want to work in a stress-free environment. Remember, it's countable, so we say a. I want to work in a stress-free environment. I want to work in an environment without stress. Or I can talk about work environment. I don't want to work in a hostile work environment. Again, it's one, so we say a hostile work environment. I don't want to work in a hostile work environment. He works in a hostile work environment. Let's practice. Does he work in a hostile work environment? That's right, he works in a hostile work environment. I want to work in a stress-free environment. What about you? Do you want to work in a stress-free environment? That's right, I want to work in a stress-free environment. Everybody wants to work in a stress-free environment. Or if I talk about the planet, then I say the environment. We use specific, the environment. Example, we need to protect the environment for the next generation. What do you think? Do we need to protect the environment for the next generation? That's right, we need to protect the environment for the next generation. So remember, pronunciation, environment. The N is silent. And we can use it with a or an environment, or we can use the environment when talking about the planet. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. Or if you want to become a member, click the join button. And we'll see you next time.